Hey, it's Calum McAnally from Mix 103, and we're here today at Westmount School for Classroom of the Month. We're gonna visit Miss Ashley Young's grade 2 and 3 class and have a little pizza party.
I'm Ryan Vincent from the DiscoverMooseJaw.com newsroom, and we just want to say a big thanks to our sponsors. We've got Kona Ice, we've got Family Pizza Moose Jaw, we've got Factory Optical, we've got Wrapture Spa and Boutique, and 32 Flavours Art by Kayla Hanson.
We're here with Kayla Hanson, who does 32 flavors, and you guys do amazing art.
Well, thank you.
We just took a look at that Super Mario artwork. Where did you get the idea to do this?
Well, each month I actually end up messaging the teachers at the schools that are selected, and I usually just ask them a couple of questions about like what kind of theme that you guys have, or is there something that makes your classroom unique? And usually they come back with an answer right away. So this time they chose Super Mario, and I had a lot of fun with this one. I started to run out of characters, but there's a lot of characters, so we got lucky.
I'm here with Miranda from Kona Ice. This is quite the unit
Isn't
you
it
have
cute?
here. Yeah, so tell us a bit about it.
This is our new Kona Mini unit, and it allows us to go inside and bring the party all year round and do fundraising for schools and whatnot, whether it's rain or shine or snow like we have here in Saskatchewan.